Hey there, in this video I will show you exactly how to do a slow-mo in CapCut. To start the process, open your CapCut application in your mobile device. Now select any video from here. You can trim or extend your video from here. Now tap on Speed. Here tap on Curve. Then tap on Custom. Here you can customize your video to your preferences. After adjusting your video, make sure to check if it is set to play correctly. Then go back and you'll see that our video has been converted to slow motion. After that, tap on arrow on your top right corner. As you can see, our video is currently being exported. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.